Hey everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. Today we're going to be showcasing the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit of the Month for May called Sweet Birthday. But first, let's take a look briefly at what we get in the card kit, starting off with the cardstock. We get some Doll Pink from Simon Says Stamp. We get some Surf Blue and a sheet of 110-pound cardstock from Nina Solar White. We also get some pattern paper. This is 6x6 double-sided called Picture Perfect, and it is from Pink Fresh Studio. So it's got a lot of nice kind of rainbow and flowers. That'll be interesting to use. We also get a 6x8 stamp set called Sweet Birthday. So it's got like a lot of treats in it and some birthday sentiments. We also get the Sweet Birthday Treat die, which cuts out one of the little cupcakes, which is nice. That'll be fun. We get a Winslow Medallion Embossing Folder, which kind of has, looks like those old tiled ceilings. And we get a Birthday Wishes die. There's a lot in this one. I wasn't sure if I had ordered this or if it came with the kit, so that's good to know. Then we get some watercolor pencils, and of course these vary depending on your kit. I got Mowed Lawn, Ground Espresso, and Wilted Violet, so those are nice colors. And then we get some holographic lava cardstock. That should have been in the cardstock, but that's no worries. And there you have it. So let's see what we are able to create using this month's card kit contents. Alright, here are the 5 cards we were able to create with this month's card kit. Starting off relatively easily. All of these cards were pretty easy. I went ahead and took some of the pattern papers that we got in the kit and just married them together with some Love from Lizzie peel-offs. And I stamped and colored in one of the cupcakes with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. And then I cut some candles out of some pattern paper. These are from My Favorite Things, and they are the Wish Big candles, just to give it some more birthday stuff there at the bottom. And I took the Birthday Wishes die set from the kit and I mounted that on some vellum, so that kind of just toned it down, that busy pattern in the background. And I used my vellum. This is the vellum that I use a lot, and it's got just a variety of vellum in it. I don't think they sell the variety pack anymore, but they do sell the individual types. So there's a gold vellum. Let's see here, they've got gold vellum. There's platinum, parchment, marble white, and clear. So you see it's got a couple of different variations of vellum, which is kind of neat. This one's kind of pearlescent. This one looks like it's got like clouds in it. That must be the marble white, like a marbled look. And then you just have your standard clear. So it's kind of neat, a kind of neat little pack. So if you're looking for some different types of vellum, this stuff is really nice. Now they do still sell the variety pack, but it's not on a website that I recognize. So I didn't want to recommend it, but did want to show you that packaging. So there you have card number 1. So pretty easy. Nothing too complicated other than the fussy cutting, which we know I don't like to do, but I did it anyway. For card number 2, I went ahead and brought in the embossing folder that we got. This is, of course, some more of the pattern paper. I just stamped that cupcake on some white cardstock that we got in the kit, stamped a sentiment, and then of course I colored that all in with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. And so there you have card number 2. It's nice to get a bunch of birthday cards done. You can always use birthday cards. For card number 3, I used the holographic paper that we got in the kit, as well as some of the pattern paper. This is a little gift builder die from Simon Says Stamp, and it just makes a couple of little presents, and it's got a little bow in it. So I thought that would be kind of cute to do. And then, of course, this is a sentiment from the stamp set. This die is from Spellbinders. This is their, let's see what this is called. Their notched corner frames, which is kind of a neat little pattern or shape. I like that. So that one has got a little bit of interest. The packages are on some fun foam, and so is the die cut for the birthday wishes is stacked up. So it's got a little bit of dimension. And there you have card number 3. Card number 4, I took that pattern paper again and used that same notched frame from Spellbinders. This time I actually used our die cut to cut out the cupcake, and I stamped Happy Birthday from the die set. And again, this cupcake was colored in using my Zig Clean Color Real Brush Markers. And there you have card number 4. And then last but not least, card number 5 is again with that notched frame die. And this time I basically I used some Love from Lizzie peel-offs to give this stripe back here a little bit of sparkle, and just some sentiments from the kit, as well as butterfly. This butterfly is from Spellbinders as well. This is in their Summer Day Butterflies. They're just kind of dimensional butterfly stickers. I always think they're really pretty, but then I never use them, so I thought I would use them today. So it's just kind of got a really pretty pink color that kind of matches the girliness of this card. So there you have our 5 cards using this month's kit. I know this one's a little late. I've been a little busy, so I haven't been churning these out as fast, but I did want to share the cards I created. I hope that they give you some inspiration if you haven't used your kit yet, or if you have and still have some products in it. I look forward to doing next month's kit, and we'll chat with you guys real soon. Thanks so much, and hope that you all are having a great summer. Talk at you soon. Bye-bye.